Start speech V equals X loud. Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create and manipulate section boxes. Let's begin. And speech. Revit section boxes allow us to create cutaway 3D views of parts of our model. They are really useful in helping to explain certain areas of your design. Section boxes only work on 3D views. So, make sure you are in the 3D view in which you wish to create your section box. With the 3D view active, take a look at the Properties palette. Scroll down the list of properties and find a parameter called Section Box. Go ahead and check the box. This will activate a section box in the view. A large wireframe box displays around the entire model. This wireframe box is the section box. Each face of this box is effectively a cutting plane that can be positioned to cut through your model where needed. Select the section boxes by clicking one of the edges. Now you can see that each face has a pair of small, blue triangular grips. Use these grips to control the position of each cutting plane. Simply move your mouse over a grip, click and hold your left mouse button while you drag the plane to where you need it to be. Move the cutting planes until you have isolated the portion of the building you need to show. This view can be placed onto a sheet for printing, and you can add text notes, tags, etc. If you want to turn the visibility of the section box off, go to the Properties palette and open the Visibility Graphic Overrides Settings panel for this view by clicking the Edit button. Now, switch to the Annotation tab to see a list of all the annotation categories that you can control in this view. Scroll down until you find section boxes and turn off its visibility using the checkbox to the left of its name. This turns off the display of the wireframe section box but still crops the model. Please note, if you want to tag elements in your 3D views, you need to lock the view orientation first by using the Lock View Orientation button on the view control bar for the view in question.